crafty friend. Welcome back to my channel. If your craft stash has been looking like this lately, I have a quick and easy way to use up your scraps and then some. Today, you and I are going to tackle all of those scraps and embellishments that we've been hoarding and turn them into something cute and functional. We're going to turn all of our half-cuts and bits and pieces of cardstock and designer papers into cute cards that we'll be able to use in the near future. We're also going to take embellishments that we've received from past swaps and use them. So go grab your items and let's get crafting.
When you wanna add a little sparkle, when you need a little shine, come on over, grab your scissors, let's create and make it fly. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas.
If you're new to card making, you should know that there are several different card sizes that follow specific measurements. Today, you and I are going to focus on making quick and easy 3x3 cards. 3x3 cards can be used as thank you cards and gift labels. And because I run a craft supplies store, you and I are going to build a stash of thank you cards for our customers. You can use 65-pound or heavyweight cardstock. The choice is yours. Since I'm running low on heavyweight cardstock, I'll be using the regular 65-pound weight. To make our 3x3 thank you cards, we're going to trim our cardstock to 3 inches by 6 inches. You're going to take your trimmed cardstock and score it at 3 inches, then fold it right down the middle. If you're just starting out at card making, you don't have to run out and buy a scoreboard just yet. However, if you enjoy the card making process and you feel like this is a craft that you will want to do over and over again, then I highly recommend that you get a scoreboard, as it will give you neat, professional-looking folds. For this card making process, I chose scraps from my Halloween and fall theme paper lines. I've used many of these cute papers from our Summerween scrapbook paper collection to fussy cut images for past projects. This is why they appear super wonky, but I finally get to use the rest of the papers, so thumbs up for me. Since we've already trimmed our 3x3 cards, the next measurement that I'm going to give you is 2 7/8. You're going to trim your designer paper to 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Now that we're ready to add our designer paper to our cardstock, you're going to have to decide the orientation of how you want the recipient to view the card. Since I will be adding my QR code along with a checkout coupon on the inside of my thank you cards, I want the recipients to be able to display their cards on their craft desk for quick reference. This is why I'm choosing the vertical orientation. You can choose the landscape orientation if you wish. For our next set of thank you cards, we're going to step it up a notch. It's nothing complicated, I promise. We're just going to level up the next batch by adding a mat to our designer paper. And here's how we're going to do this. Remember our 2 7/8 measurement? We're going to trim the mats to this measurement, and then we're going to go another 1/8 of an inch inward for our designer paper. Since this paper will be going on the mat, we're going to trim this down to 2 6/8 by 2 6/8. Because in this next batch we're leveling up our card making skills, we're going to add a bit of dimension to our thank you cards. At this point of our tutorial, I suggest that you pause the video and look around for scraps of craft foam or chipboard so that you can add dimension to your cards. Once you've gathered your dimensional materials, you will want to trim them into pieces so that you can adhere them to the backs of your designer papers.
Grab your paper, grab your glue. There's a crafty world waiting for you. Digital paper, stationery too. DecorateYourLife.com. We're crafting something new. We've got scrapbooking dreams and DIY crafts. Planner decorating vintage ephemera stacks. Fussy cutting flowers, layering die cuts. Shabby chic magic, oh we can't get enough. Stickers and washi tape, ribbons that shine. Journals and sartoriers, it's creative time. Altered home decor with a sparkly touch. Craft supplies everywhere, we love it so much. Let's make something beautiful together, me and you. From card making to paper packs, there's nothing we can't do. Craft and joy and happy hearts, that's our favorite.
Now that we have made several thank you cards for our customers, we can stop right here and call it a day. Or we can continue to make a third batch, then decorate.
Fold and design pretty stationery, one of a kind. Craft room inspiration in every view. Tutorial to teach you something new. Digital downloads, print and create. Layer those pages, let's decorate. Planner spreads, junk journaling bliss. Each handmade moment feels like this. Let's make something beautiful together, me and you. From card making to paper packs, there's nothing we can't do. Craft and joy and happy hearts, that's our favorite view. Let's make something beautiful, decorateyourlife.com with you.
And last but certainly not least, we're going to use those embellishments that we've been hoarding to pretty up our thank you cards. I hope that you've enjoyed our craft time together, and I hope that you've been inspired to use those bits and pieces that are taking up space in your crafting nook. Remember to visit our blog where you'll come across a plethora of paper crafting tutorials and ideas, and go ahead and sign up for our newsletter. We won't bombard you with emails. That is not our style, but we will send you a quick note when there's something new brewing up at decorateyourlife.com. Make sure to leave me a comment and a thumbs up, as those are sure indicators that you want me to upload more videos like this one. Also, share my videos with your friends. Let's spread the love and let's keep smiling and creating. And let's make something beautiful. I will see you again real soon. Until then, happy crafting!
Glitters on the table, ribbons in a line. Every little project turns out just fine. Creativity's the magic glue. When the crafting community's crafting with you. Digital papers, altered home decor. Inspiration knocking at your door. Stationery lovers gather near. It's crafting time. Let's cheer. Let's make something beautiful together, me and you. Scrapbooking scenarios, dreams coming true. Craft and joy and handmade art from start to the grand debut. Let's make something beautiful, decorateyourlife.com with you. Let's make something beautiful, decorateyourlife.com with you. Cut and fold, a ribbon curl, a little joy in our crafty world. Paper dreams and lacy trims, let's create on heartfelt whims. From beaded pens to vintage finds, Sandy shares what she designs. With love and care in every frame, no two moments are the same. Decorate your life with colors blue and light, stitching joy in every page, from morning into night. Decorate your life where memories take flight, with shabby chic and whimsy sweet, it all feels just right. A little pen, a journal page, ideas bloom across the stage. No pressure here, just love and fun, and room for everyone. From handmade joy to crafty play, Sandy shows us a new way to make with heart, to dream and share. A little magic everywhere. Decorate your life with sparkle, thread and light. Find scrapbook, paper, strings and more at decorateyourlife.com tonight. Decorate your life, come join, be part, be seen. Let's create with kindness in every little scene. And if you love what you see, leave a like and share with glee. Subscribe, comment, let us know what crafty dreams you'll start to grow. Decorate your life with heart, with hands, with grace. Invite your crafty friends along, there's always room, there's space. Decorate your life, it's more than just a name. It's a journey full of handmade love, and we're so glad you came. Decorate, decorate, decorate your life at decorateyourlife.com.